Yo, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we'll be showing you how to install a Wicker on a 2017 Dodge Challenger. This is a car right here. We previously did some work. We did the hood wrap in satin black. Got our decal right there. We got Jay in the back. He's starting to drill the holes for the Wicker bell.
So we already we taped it up, and then we put the Wicker bell and we marked our holes.
Yes, sir. We also did the full smoke tint. I know you could tell. We got the charger right here. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. We got the caddy. This is the C8 we're currently working on. It came in for a full chrome rose gold. It's looking good. One was done. We just need these pieces right here. We already got the whole front end done. It's looking good.
So once you have your holes, you want to grab your rivet and you just want to make sure it fits on the hole. And obviously that's a tight squeeze, but that's good. So what you're gonna do is you put your rivet on the gun, and then you're gonna like push it in there and squeeze, and then you're just gonna take it out,
Slightly spin it.
and that's how you put your rivets.
Nice and smooth. Now we just got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. And after that, you grab the Wicker bell, put it on and ready to go. Here we got the charger. It's finally up and running. Got all wheels back together. We might do some changes here soon, but for now this is what we're rocking with. Shout out to Vinyl Frog, sponsors. Also Street Arrow for the side skirts. We got lightning trends hooking it up. We got the daily right here wrapped in satin chrome teal, and then this is the one we're currently working on. Can't forget about the carbon fiber mirrors. All right, so as y'all can see, we got it all up, nice and tight. As you can see, you can move. No gap in between the middle right here. Some time, but yeah, now we're gonna put a young Dolph decal that she asked for. And yeah, y'all make sure to stay tuned on the C8. We're almost halfway done. Like I said previously, we just need this, the roof. But after this, probably tomorrow, we'll be shooting it tomorrow morning when there's some type of sun, that we could capture all the color. It came out really good though. We'll probably be uploading like a reel to it. But yeah, came out nice. You can see you got the red seats. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Got the bumper all wrapped up. Can't forget the AF plate though. Damn it, bye.